In this video, we're going to cover more basics of Google Slides, including themes, transitions, shapes and lines, and backgrounds. We'll begin with themes. Themes can change the overall look of your presentation. If you select Theme, you can change the theme by selecting a new one here. You can close this window by clicking the X. To add transitions to your presentation, navigate to the slide you'd like to put a transition. Once you're there, click Transition. From here, you can select the type of transition and how fast you'd like it to play. You can also select objects on the slide and animate them as well. To preview the transitions on your slide, press play. Once you have the transition you desire, you can close this window by clicking X. You can add various shapes and lines to enhance your presentation. To add a shape, click here to view a bunch of different shapes. Hovering over the categories will show the shapes within that category. Click on the shape you want, and then click and drag across the screen to create it. To add a line, click the line symbol here, and then click and drag across your screen to create it. If you click the down arrow next to the line symbol, you'll be able to choose different sorts of lines. Each one works differently, but you can explore this if you wish. Once you've added a line or shape, you can click it again and then click and drag to move it across the screen. Lines also allow you to adjust their length with the two end dots. It is also possible to change the background of a single slide by clicking Background. Here, you can set the color or upload an image. If you wish to switch the background back to the theme's default color, click Reset. If you have any additional questions, make a TechBar appointment at techbar.night.domains. Thanks for watching!